Book 5 will be built around the idea of quantum threading, the possibility that multiple universes exist alongside our own, not separated by distance, but by probability. These universes are not created or broken into. They already exist, woven into reality like threads in a vast fabric. Quantumus does not attempt to control this fabric. Instead, he listens to it. His machine, designed to resemble a 1940s tabletop radio, uses 12 physical dials to tune into these threads, intersecting points where conditions allow safe observation and temporary travel. Each dial represents a real constraint: atmospheric compatibility, gravity balance, chemical stability, time coherence, and the presence of intelligence, ensuring that travel follows rules rather than fantasy. The purpose of quantum threading is not adventure for its own sake. Quantasia, the fragile realm that exists between understanding and imagination, is beginning to weaken. Quantumus believes its stability depends on a rare material that does not naturally exist in our universe. This material has not yet been discovered by science, but its possibility is grounded in real theory. Scientists already predict that beyond the known periodic table may exist an island of stability, where super-heavy elements could remain intact under extreme cosmic conditions. The story does not claim this element exists with certainty, only that it may exist somewhere. The mission is to search, observe, and learn, never to conquer or extract without consequence. Christopher, now 15 years old, approaches this mission with a more developed understanding of science, responsibility, and ethics. He is no longer simply reacting to wonder. He is learning to ask better questions. His role is not to act as a hero, but as an observer, communicator, and learner. His camera, once a tool for recording images, has evolved into an instrument that detects patterns of intelligence and translates unfamiliar forms of communication into understandable frameworks. It does not impose language or meaning. It listens, interprets, and reflects. Communication with other intelligent life forms occurs not through shared speech, but through light, vibration, mathematics, chemical signals, and symmetry, demonstrating that intelligence does not depend on human forms or behaviors. Throughout the book, the periodic table becomes a quiet guide rather than a lesson. Elements are explored through environments rather than charts: how stars forge matter, why heavier elements are rare, how chemistry shapes planets, and why life depends on balance rather than abundance. Each universe Christopher visits reveals a different chemical truth, reinforcing the idea that the building blocks of reality shape not only matter, but behavior, cooperation, and survival. A central theme of the story is the connection between intelligence, compassion, and harmony. Rather than portraying advanced life as aggressive or domineering, the book explores the idea that true intelligence naturally evolves toward cooperation, balance, and thoughtful restraint. Civilizations that endure long enough to become highly advanced do so by valuing understanding over control. Disruption and imbalance are not portrayed as strengths, but as signs of systems that struggle to sustain themselves. The most advanced beings Christopher encounters are not driven by expansion or dominance, but by curiosity, insight, and a desire to learn. One scientist from the core group of 7 serves as a quiet guide throughout the story. Their role is not to provide answers, but to frame questions and remind Christopher and the reader that science is an evolving process. Certainty is never claimed where it does not exist. Curiosity and humility are treated as strengths, not weaknesses. At its heart, this book is not about proving parallel universes or discovering ultimate truths. It is about possibility. It suggests that the universe may be larger and more complex than we currently understand, that intelligence often leads to empathy rather than fear, and that survival, whether of a universe, a society, or a single world, depends on understanding rather than force. The story invites readers to sit comfortably with uncertainty and to see curiosity as a form of hope. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll let you know when this book is published. To purchase books, go to thebluenoser.com.